This literature kit on The House on Mango Street by Sandra Cisneros provides a variety of activities that will keep students engaged and involved in the reading. 55 pages chocked full of a variety of scaffolding strategies incorporated in our Before You Read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Use metaphors and figurative language to describe things that bring comfort, much like Esperanza's thoughts on her mother's hair. Describe Nenny's personality based on what's been revealed in previous chapters. Put events surrounding Esperanza's poetry writing in the order as they occur in the chapter. Explain why the author might choose specific spelling as a plot device. Choose words that mean the same as the vocabulary word found in the reading. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as writing your own persuasive argument, similar to Esperanza's argument for eating at school. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Record the symbolism of shoes used throughout the novel by detailing their use on a flowchart. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.